I want to ask a question from me a pitney until now. And me a gaffer ask it. I want to know what the difference with our rat and the Chinese and Indian rat them. As our rat blew up our food we dead. And me see them man they have rat pan grill a jerk like chicken. What the difference with our rat and feed them rat them brother? Our rat them bad mind. It come like say our rat them bad mind brother. You know some feel like say our rat them a lab rat. Them rat was designed for wipe out black people. Because I know where them your money have the same rat like we have. And our rat them a kill we and feed them rat them a fatten them. Eh? Our rat, you know I feel rat for go vet like dog. Rat for go get injection and them thing. Them I feel so. What the difference with our rat and feed them rat? Them just want walk past our plate and we dead. And them man in a blood cleat Chinese and Indian pot of taste for them food that tell them how much more seasoning it want. Eh? Them your man name rat in a season, out a season. Them man name rat with everything. Like a piece of chicken. And we have our rat them, we even want to see them. If them bite up our toe swell big and fat. And them your man have rat and yam. And some bad mindset of rat we have out here, brother. But our rat them bad mind. You notice them can't grow big. If them grow too big, you know so slow them move, I will be excited over them. Why them man have some rat big like puss? Them man have some rat big like puss. If our dog them and cat them see feed them rat them run. Sitting around with our rat them dog. Sitting around with our rat them. Me want somebody tell me what do our rat them. I want to know this from me a pitney. Rat can't go near our food else we dead. Eh? Look a bad mindset a rat you know.